Do you ever feel like you're just wishing for more money? You see that new gadget, that dream vacation, that perfect apartment, and you think, if only I had more money. We've all been there, crossing our fingers, hoping a lottery ticket or a surprise bonus will magically solve all our financial problems. But what if I told you that money doesn't care about your wishes? It doesn't respond to hopes, dreams, or wishful thinking. Money listens to something much more powerful, much more reliable. Your habits. That's right. The secret to building wealth isn't about making a wish list. It's about building a habit list. Think about it. Do you know someone who seems effortlessly good with money? Chances are, they're not just lucky. They've built a set of daily, weekly, and monthly routines that make financial success almost automatic. And the best part, you can do it too. It's not about earning a six-figure salary overnight. It's about the small, consistent actions you take every single day. So, if you're ready to stop wishing and start doing, stick around. We're about to break down the exact habits that will make your money listen to you, not the other way around. Let us start with the foundation of all financial success. The habit of knowing where your money goes. I'm talking about tracking your spending. I know. It sounds boring, maybe even a little scary, but you can't manage what you don't measure. Wishing you had more money at the end of the month is useless. If you do, you know where it all went in the first place. Was it the daily $5 coffees? The subscription services you forgot you had? That one-time online shopping spree? Tracking doesn't have to be a chore. There are amazing apps that link to your bank accounts and categorize everything for you. Or, if you're old school, a simple notebook works just as well. The goal isn't to judge yourself. It's to gain clarity. Do this for just 1 month. 30 days. The insights you'll gain will be a complete game changer. You'll see patterns. You'll spot leaks. And you'll suddenly have the power to direct your money where you actually want it to go. This isn't about restriction. It's about awareness. And awareness is the first step toward control. Once you know where your money's going, it's time for habit number 2. Paying yourself first. This is a classic for a reason. Most of us get paid, pay our bills, spend on fun stuff, and then see what's left over to save. Usually, it's not much. Paying yourself first flips that script entirely. The moment your paycheck hits your account, before you pay a single bill or buy a single thing, you move a set amount of money into a separate savings or investment account. This isn't a wish, it's a rule. It's a non-negotiable transaction you make with your future self. Even if it's just $20, $50, or $100 to start. The amount is less important than the habit itself. The magic of this is that you'll naturally adjust your spending to what's left. It automates your savings and forces you to live within your means. Rather than hoping you'll have something left to save, set up an automatic transfer from your checking to your savings account on payday. This one simple habit guarantees that you are always building your wealth, month after month, without even thinking about it. Now, let's talk about the fun part. Making your money work for you. Saving is great, but just letting your money sit in a low-interest savings account means it is actually losing value over time because of inflation. The third habit is to make investing a regular, non-emotional practice. People get scared of investing because they think it's like gambling in a casino. They wish for that one hot stock that will make them a millionaire overnight. That's wishing, not habit building. A true wealth-building habit is consistent, diversified investing. Think about setting up a regular contribution to a low-cost index fund or an ETF. These funds automatically spread your money across hundreds or even thousands of companies, which dramatically reduces your risk. You're not betting on one company, you're betting on the growth of the entire market over time. Again, automation is your best friend here. Set up an automatic investment every single month, no matter what the market is doing. This strategy is called dollar cost averaging. Sometimes you'll buy when prices are high, sometimes when they're low, but over the long term, it averages out and builds your wealth steadily. This isn't about timing the market, it's about time in the market. Okay, let's get real about a big wealth destroyer. Debt, especially high-interest debt like from credit cards. Wishing that debt away won't make it disappear. The fourth habit is to aggressively and systematically attack your debt. You need a plan. Two popular methods are the debt snowball and the debt avalanche. With the snowball method, you list all your debts from smallest to largest, regardless of the interest rate. You make minimum payments on everything, but you throw every extra dollar you can at the smallest debt. Once it's paid off, you feel a huge psychological win. You then take all the money you are putting toward that first debt and roll it over to the next smallest one. The momentum builds like a snowball rolling downhill. The avalanche method is mathematically faster. You list your debts by interest rate, from highest to lowest. You make minimum payments on all, but you target the one with the highest interest rate first. This saves you the most money in interest payments over time. Which one is better? The one you'll actually stick with. Pick a method, make it a habit, and watch your debts melt away. The fifth habit is a mindset shift. Practiced conscious spending. This is different from a restrictive budget. A budget can feel like a financial diet, and we all know how well diets work. Conscious spending is about being intentional. It's about spending extravagantly on the things you love and cutting back mercilessly on the things you don't. Do you absolutely love to travel? Great! Make that a priority in your spending plan. Maybe that means you stop buying designer clothes or eating out 3 times a week. Do you love high-end coffee? Awesome. Enjoy that latte. But maybe you can cancel the 5 streaming services you barely watch. It's not about saying no to everything. It's about saying a powerful yes to what truly brings you joy and value, and an easy no to the rest. This isn't about deprivation. It's about alignment. Aligning your spending with your values. When you do this, you stop wasting money on things that don't matter, freeing up cash for the things that do. Now, a habit that separates the financially successful from everyone else. The habit of continuous learning. The financial world is always changing. New investment tools, new tax laws, new economic trends. Wishing you knew more about money won't help. You have to actively seek out the knowledge. This doesn't mean you need a degree in finance. It means dedicating a little bit of time each week to your financial education. Listen to a financial podcast during your commute. Read a chapter of a personal finance book before bed. Watch educational YouTube videos like T's One while you're making dinner. The more you learn, the more confident you'll become. You'll make better decisions, you'll spot opportunities others miss, and you'll be less likely to fall for get-rich-quick schemes. Make learning about money a lifelong habit, and your financial well-being will thank you for it. Finally, the 7th habit, and maybe the most overlooked, is to regularly review and adjust your plan. Your life isn't static, and your financial plan shouldn't be either. Wishing your old plan still worked when your life has changed is a recipe for failure. Maybe you got a raise, got married, had a child, or decided to start your own business. These are major life events that require you to revisit your financial habits. Set a recurring date on your calendar, maybe every 6 months or once a year, to sit down and review everything. How is your spending? Are your savings on track? Is your investment strategy still aligned with your goals and risk tolerance? This isn't about starting from scratch. It is about making small tweaks and course corrections to ensure you stay on the path to your goals. It keeps your plan relevant and effective, turning your financial journey from a path you hope you're on to a path you know you're on. So there you have it. 7 powerful habits that money actually listens to. Tracking your spending, paying yourself first, investing automatically, attacking debt systematically, spending consciously, continuous learning, and regular reviews. Notice a theme here. It's all about action, consistency, and automation. Not wishing, hoping, or dreaming. Your financial future isn't determined by a single moment of luck. It's forged in the small, consistent decisions you make every single day. Start with just one of these habits. Master it. Then, add another. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, and your journey to financial freedom begins with a single habit. Stop wishing for a better financial life and start building one habit at a time. You have the power to make your money listen. The only question is, are you ready to start talking to it in the language it understands? Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more content on building a life you love, not just one you can afford. Let me know in the comments which habit you're going to start with first. See you in the next video.